Welcome to Lesson 12. This one focuses on grammar and vocabulary. Now, firstly, this is not a grammar course. This is a course to build your skills for IELTS, and we're looking particularly at the writing, the reading, and the speaking. However, grammar and vocabulary does account for 50% of the marks on the writing and speaking tests. And we do need, a good awareness of these things to assist with the reading and the listening parts. So in this lesson, we'll concentrate on some grammar and vocabulary points. You've already come across some grammar for the writing, and in each of the reading lessons, there's a vocabulary focus, as you've already come across in, I think, 3 of the lessons that you've done so far. So this lesson is concentrating really on areas of grammar and vocabulary that students statistically find quite difficult. And these are things that maybe are absent or different from your first language. So we look at things like countable or uncountable nouns, the plurals of countable nouns particularly. How these interact with articles, so which article do we need, a or the or no article, and so on. How we use quantifiers, and also for the vocabulary, the different word forms. Many students confuse these, mix them up, use an adjective instead of a noun, or combine an adjective with a verb when it should be an adverb. So things of that sort of nature. There are plenty of exercises throughout the presentation, so there's some exercises as well on the slides, and also some additional work on the PDF. Okay? So all of these things are designed to try and reduce the number of basic errors and mistakes that you will make, primarily in the writing and in the speaking. But as I said before, these are also useful for every other part of the test. So that's how the lesson is working. Just go through it slide by slide, dealing with the points that are on there and the exercises that you come across. Ask your teacher to explain anything that you don't fully understand, and obviously go through the answers to the exercises with him or her as well, so you can try and get as good an understanding as possible of the points that you find in this particular lesson. Okay? Good luck with that, and see you next time for more writing, reading, speaking.